A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Friday's trading action at Dalal Street, dated June 24th, 2022.
In yesterday's roller coaster ride at Dalal Street, Nifty ended higher. Auto stocks were in top gear as Maruti Suzuki, Eicher Motors, Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, M&M and Tata Motors were top Nifty gainers, advancing between 4 to 6.7%. In today's trade, in limelight will be IT and software stocks after US-based IT major Accenture announced its results for Q3 FY22, beating revenue expectations. Accenture reported revenues of $16.2 billion, up 22% year-on-year. The company also reported its second highest bookings of $17 billion. For 2022, it now expects revenue growth to be in the range of 25.5% to 26.5% as compared to 24 to 26% previously. Amongst IT and software stocks, we like Mindtree, LTI, and Infi on any corrective declines. IT stocks will also catch attention on buy side on backdrop of the Indian rupee, which has closed at its all-time low at 78.32 against US dollar. A strong USD INR augurs well for software stocks. On the positive side are reports that WTI crude oil prices have fallen to their lowest level since early May to $103.64 a barrel. Oil prices had recently made a high of $123.7. Now, before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty closing price 15,557, buy between 15,450 to 15,500 zone. Strict stop at 15,111. Targets at 15,707 and then at 15,863. Aggressive targets at 16,181 to 16,477 zone. Bank Nifty closing price 33,135, buy only about 33,594. Strict stop at 32,011. Targets 34,175 and then at 34,677. Aggressive targets at 35,793 mark. Technically speaking, the downside risk on Nifty likely only on any close below 15,363 mark. The Perma Bulls will really have to find reasons to take Nifty above its biggest hurdles at 15,783 mark. Nifty's 200 DMA at 17,217 mark. Bank Nifty will face major hurdles placed at 33,594 mark and then at 34,879 mark. The biggest support for Bank Nifty seen at 32,155 and then all eyes at 30,405 mark. We expect Nifty to trade volatile and choppy for the day. Maharashtra reports 5,218 new COVID cases in a day, 1934 in Delhi. Mumbai reported 2,479 new cases in last 24 hours. Delhi's positivity rate stands at 8.1%. Oil prices sank further on fears that a recession is coming. Crude oil prices fell to their lowest level since May to $103.64 a barrel. The progress of the southwest monsoon into India has been disappointing so far. In the June month so far, FIs have net sold shares worth Rs 51,246 crores.
That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 02240767373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.